Alright everyone, here's the big surprise. A mixed stand of, look at them freaking pine trees. Pine trees, hardwoods, but to add some sauce to this video, yo, look at this. We're cutting right beside a freaking river. Like right beside it. Okay, so the new surprise is here, the big surprise, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be doing something completely different than y'all have ever seen on our channel before. I've never done a job like this. Our company has never done a job quite like this. Basically, there's been a 5-acre patch that adjoined the tract that we were cutting, and it butts up to the scenic river of the Whiskey Chitta. Now look at that tree. Look at that. Look at that on me. That's over knee high on me. Freaking big ass pine trees. But what we're basically doing is the land is being sold. So we're coming in here and salvaging a 5-acre patch for the patch that is being sold. It's a mixed stand of, as y'all can see, original virgin pine and natural growth hardwood. So we're going to be merchandising hardwood logs, hardwood pulpwood, and because they're damaged, even though these are, fine logs, but they're twisted and damaged, they're gonna have to be butted back to a 30-inch butt and sold for pulpwood. And I'm completely out of my element here, but I'm taking a challenge, and it's so far what little bit y'all can see I've cut a little bit through here, but so far I'm really enjoying it. It's a nice change of pace. It's gonna be a lot of on cutter video come out of this, because that's where most of the action is gonna end up taking place. right, so what we decided to do is we're gonna get Michael in here first ahead of us, get him to pull some of this scrappy stuff that I've cut down. We're gonna get him just pull it out of the way over there, push it out. We're gonna get all this right here pushed up, and these two bigger trees right here, I can cut those with the cutter. Anyway, we're gonna get in here and cut these two big pine trees before we put Mickey's loader in the hole. We're gonna put him somewhere right in here, depending on how we got it set up, because our line is not very far past that hardwood snag y'all see right there, because it's only 5 acres it's gonna be here. It's a log skidder, a hardwood skidder, a bush skidder today. I think that one's gonna come out like that. He's not listening, sir.
Not listening, sir.
Well, what he's trying to do is he's trying to get these pine out from behind those snags to where I can bob them off and everything. Like I said, we need to get in there and get these two out cut before we get Mickey in there. And then we'll go in here with the cutter and open up some more of this right here. Open it up. Give them some more room to work. We're gonna need a lot of room to work in this. This ain't gonna be like our little thinning blocks, that's for damn sure. Alright, so that first one I got cut off pretty easy. It was an easy single cutter tree. I mean, it almost didn't go through, but it did. Now that second one, I did not realize it was leaning as hard as it was this direction, you know, back towards the camera. It's not so much that I was worried about it falling on anything over here, because I mean, the only thing it would have hit would have been Mickey's D-limber or crushed the camera. But either way, it wouldn't be one thing or another. But there was no way I was going to control where that tree went after I bedded it on this side. So I just went ahead and decided to just push all the way through, bottom out, and then push it on over it. And it said everything's going for pulpwood anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Quick little thing right here to show y'all. We got to split. We can't have forked trees, especially big ones. So we're gonna try and bust the fork out just like that. Now you got two stems to work with. I'm gonna have to come up here with the cutter and bob all them ends off. Mickey may go ahead and spin them around, but I'm gonna have to end up bobbing those ends off. Gonna be a lot of cutting and then coming up here and setting and helping process. We are nowhere near set up to work the way this is gonna have to be worked. So it's definitely gonna be interesting. Y'all look at how big some of these trees are. That's a broke snag. All of this is damaged from Hurricane Laura. Those big snags like that, them things probably weigh a couple thousand pounds. I think this one here, it's mostly dead. But we'll still sneak her in. That thing's still pretty solid. It's just a tight area to try and work in. He's trying to sort his pine right there beside his trailer. I guess he's gonna stack his hardwood off over there on that side. I gotta get these stumps cut down right here. And then trucks are gonna sit. They're gonna come in and make a loop-de-loop. And they're gonna kind of sit right here. We may see about pushing that out over there where the trucks can go nose up in there or something. This is an old dead piece of hardwood here. Not sure what we're doing with it, but it's just a tight fit, y'all. Tight fit. Okay, done with the day. I will say this much: it is this is a different enemy. One of the other ones that was standing there, it was leaning into that tree. We ended up shoving it over a minute ago because it was leaning back towards Mickey. We can't kill Mickey, can we? Well, I'm sorry, sir. That's all we got. If we were set, we actually need like a directional felling head, and then I don't know if a processor is what we need up here, or, or what we need, but I can tell y'all this much. I've learned this much today. One, the John Deere track cutter with electronics, I don't remember my other one being that bad, but you cannot be finesseful. Watch these two goobers. There's two people crossing the bridge at the same time. We're gonna watch them go in the creek. But anyway, you cannot be smooth with that head going to a tree. It does a lot of this up, down, kind of float to the tree type thing. And no matter what I adjust in it, you can't get that out, and I don't like that. Number two, those Ballotine teeth that are so good in pine pulpwood, they suck for hardwood. Suck, straight up freaking suck. Number three, the John Deere saw also sucks in big wood, trying to cut them off, because all it wants to do is go about halfway through a tree, these big ones anyway, and they just, yeah, and then they just like stop. So I don't know, but I tell y'all this, that's the truth on that. But we made a pretty good little hole in our stuff today. Y'all see our little pile of hardwood we got there. I know we got all day again here tomorrow, hopefully Friday too. Thank y'all so much for watching. Go down below, find the link to the merchandise store. Go buy a shirt from me. $24 right now at the door, shipped. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Leave me a comment if you got a question on anything. And until next video, I'll catch y'all next time.